Hi, I'm Jennifer Hay and I'm with eLearning Curve. Today we're here talking with KY Sue, an eLearning Curve instructor who specializes in geospatial information systems and locational intelligence. KY Sue is a freelance locational data analyst with analytical experience in quite a few sectors and in a variety of subjects. He works quite a deal in nonprofit and is very interested in bringing GIS capabilities to businesses. KY launched a GIS capability for World Vision, a global humanitarian organization that was extremely successful. So what is spatial analytics and why is it needed?
Spatial analytics is it's basically just querying data by location. It's asking where or what's there or why there. Every physical parameter has a location, and location can make things easier or harder, cheaper or more expensive. Location is often a multi-variable puzzle, and GIS gives the ability to combine and synthesize multiple factors quantitatively to make them much more easy to grasp, analyze, and make decisions on. So there's several official definitions of spatial analysis, but the process is generally thought of as understanding geospatial relationships of different phenomena to each other based on where they are on the Earth. That's the standard benchmark by which all locations are established and thus able to be compared to each other. Take a simple example, warehouse locations and roads, highways, and railways. Two phenomena that you're trying to make a business decision on. You can see how they interrelate with each other, where the location and quality of roads and railways and maybe the schedule of railways could influence your decision of whether existing warehouses serve you well, which one to go with, or if you need to build a new one. Okay. And where. If you think of all those different factors as layers, and you can assign numerical values to each layer, and then you can sum them of this location versus that location, it becomes much easier to synthesize all this data.
Yes.
The database that sits behind GIS does that for you and gives you the ability to make an intelligent decision. So that's your first basic step of mapping and map production, is putting the geographic data onto the map. Second step is joining your existing tabular data that you have in your warehouse or other databases to the geography to make use of it. The layers themselves, the geographic data, they come with tabular data attached to them. That tabular data has key fields specifically for the purpose of attaching your tabular data to the geographic data. So now you have turned your tabular data into geographic data, and you can put that data onto the map and analyze it geographically. And then finally, your resulting maps, if you choose to produce a map, and that can be for internal use for analysis, or since maps are inherently good communication tools, you might find them useful for showing to your vendors or your service providers, or possibly even to your customers. Stressing that GIS is a database, it is a relational database, gives you that compatibility, which makes your cost of adding GIS capability into your enterprise structure much easier.
What is it that makes geospatial data so interesting to you?
The research mentality, the analytical, not just what's the answer, but asking the right question. Also, as a visual person, I enjoy seeing answers revealed, patterns revealed, not just graphically, but geographically. GIS combines these two in a satisfying and productive way, and that's what appeals to me about GIS.